What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Top. So then, yeah, as you can see, I got something here for y'all. You feel me? If you didn't know, my birthday was a couple days ago. Let's get some W's in the chat. Happy birthday in the chat. Appreciate y'all. My birthday was a few days ago, so my lovely parents decided to get me this, as you can see. Now I haven't opened it yet, so I can make a video for you guys. And obviously with this comes better content, you feel me? We about to start locking in for real now. I'm trying to tell y'all something. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that sub button, that like button, and drop a happy birthday in the chat. Why not, you feel me? But yeah, let's get it started. I said let's get it started, and I can't even open the box. That's like the first part of the unboxing. Open the box up. Now, hold on. What the? All right, bro. All right, let's lock in. Oh, that's how we was trying to open it without the plastic, like the plastic was still on. That's why we couldn't open it. Feel me? Get rid of that. Open this up. Oh yeah, let's clear the table. Let's clear the table out. Let's clear the table out. Let's unbox all of this. You see what's coming in here? Take it all out. Whatever this is, that's a battery handle. Yo, this is this is a filler. We got the silica gel. We need that. We're gonna need that for later. The DJI Osmo. Let me not hit this too hard. It might be fragile. The lovely camera. And it come with a SIM card, so I don't gotta buy another one. Perfect. What else? This is a whole bundle. And a mini tripod. Yeah, yo, when I tell you about to lock in, we about to lock in. I'm not even gonna play around with y'all. It's straight to it. As soon as I unbox this, we shooting a video. We shooting a video as soon as I unbox this. Let me put this right here. Let me show y'all everything I got though. So we got the box. We got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I heard about it a lot on TikTok, so we about to, you feel me? We got the battery handle. We got a mini tripod. And we got a 64 gigabyte SIM card from Kingston Technology. Say no more. Say no more. What should we open first? Obviously, I'm gonna open the DJI Osmo Pocket. Obviously, I'm gonna open up the camera. You feel me? The video, whatever you wanna call it. Obviously, I'm gonna open up that first. You feel me? Gotta get used to it. See how I operate. Let's open up this up. Let me clear this. Put this to the side. Let me show I'm recording. If I'm not recording, oh my gosh. We straight. Let's put this right here. I didn't get a thumbnail. I'll get a thumbnail later. All right now. Moment of truth. What is this? Chad, what y'all think this is? Put your bets in right now. Let's see. Yo. Hello? Oh, we straight. What is instruction manual? It don't matter. Let's just take everything out though. This looks like a charger. No, that's not a charger. It's like I couldn't even tell you. Oh yeah, this is the charger. This looks like this might be like the battery. Yeah, this might be the battery or something like that. See if it focuses. If not, I'm sorry. But this is like the handle thing to like wrap around, I guess. To like hold it with your, Probably should have read the instructions first, right? What is this? Oh, this is stickers. Need that. Oh, damn. Okay, this is gonna be an app I need for the thingy. Quick starter guide. I'm gonna need that. This is in Japanese. I probably don't need that. I could dare read Japanese. Y'all don't even know that. I could dare read Japanese. Watch. This is saying. Okay. I didn't know this. Y'all didn't know I could read Japanese, right? But low key, right here, that's what it's saying. It's saying if you haven't already, make sure to hit that sub button and follow me on all socials. Yeah, I think I'm not even lying. It says it on all pages. It says it on all pages. Like, watch. Look, you think I said it across all pages. Look, I'm not lying. I'm not lying. Why would I lie for? What do I gotta lie for? All right, say no more though. Enough with the horsing around. Yo, what's in here, bro? They hiding stuff? They dead hiding stuff in here. It's another silicone packet, a silica packet. All right, we don't need that though. Let me stop horsing around. This is what y'all came for. Need that. I don't even read instructions. I'll just get straight to it. Nah, this fake hefty though. Nah, this fake sturdy though. Hold on, Black Pro Mist, wide angle lens. I fake might need this, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what this is for, but I might need this in the future. This is sturdy, chat. Chat, this is sturdy. This is dead sturdy. Let me give y'all 3. Oh, nah, yeah, this is sturdy, chat. If I drop this, oh my gosh, end of the video. I promise you. Sturdy. Turn it on. Oh, lock in then. Hold on. Let me stop. Peel this off. Language, Chinese, I need that. Yo, stop playing. It's touchscreen? Oh, I gotta scan the, how we not gonna scan it? We gonna, nah, hold on. I'm gonna take a video, I'm gonna upload it to the chat. I need my SD card first. It's like, I tried to take a video, it's like, nah, man, you ain't got no SD card. I'm like, yo, relax, bro. I'll put it in right now, pause. Where my SD card? All right, bet, watch. I got y'all right now, putting in the SD card. Yo, chill out. Just chill out, bro. I'll put the SD card in right now. How do I put it just like this? Put your hands on my body. Oh, I'm about to break it. I'm bugging out. How do I put the SD card in? Oh? SD card valid? SD card valid? Nah, we live, chat. Nah, we live. Oh, focus on me though. Oh, we live. I think, yo. Oh, we fake live though, fake. I'm about to have so much fun with this. Bro. Nah, hey, look at. Alright, stop though. And you could fake. Oh, the joystick is on. Oh, you could zoom in, zoom out. Yo, this might be the best thing that I ever got. Shout out Mom, shout out Pops, MVP. Could I flip it though? Oh. They got different modes. You could pick your chat. Yo, it's good, give me a whole tutorial right now, but look, you could take pictures. Oh, so they got a picture mode, they got a panoramic, they got a low light, they got a slow motion, they got a time lapse. That's how much settings they got. But obviously we're gonna be using the video. We're not taking no pictures. What are we taking pictures for? I don't even know if I want to continue the video. I just want to use this. Oh. I don't know. All right, bet. Nah, fake. I'm going to take a video on this. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that sub button. You feel me? We're on the road to 2,000. I might hit 2,000 by the time I upload this. But if I don't, hit that follow button. We're not playing though. Safety. All right, though. You feel me? What is this? How do I be seeing people flip this to the side. Oh. Nah, I see the flip to the side. This is fake sturdy, though. They got a flip to the side version. Let me take another video of myself, because we outside with this. I'm gonna go live. We could put this in our pocket. Like, yo, chat, we could put this in our pocket, chat. We could be like, what? I'm done with this. Or I could fake just like, look. Like when I catch somebody lagging when they're not supposed to, like, say if I see one of my man's girls and they outside and they're not supposed to be outside, I'm gonna be like this, walking past them like this. They're not gonna know a thing, Jack. I'm telling you, all my means, if you need proof, I'm telling you, I'm about to have this in my pocket like this. I'm telling you, it's lit. I'm getting carried away. I'm fake too hype right now. I'm too hype. Not too long. Lock in, bro. All right, say no more though. What is this? This is like the extra battery, I guess. It's supposed to be an extra battery. Let me see. Oh, this is for the tripod. I'm tweaked. Let's put the tripod on, chat. That's gonna be the next thing we open up. Let's turn this off real quick. Oh, okay. Put this down. It's a tripod. Yeah, let's open the tripod next. I got a little carried away, my fault. I'm just a little excited, for me. Shout out mom, shout out dad, for me. But look though, let's get the tripod on. There's another battery. Is that the, okay, so no, that's just a tripod attachment. When mounting, insert handle into the Osmo Pocket 3 without holding the release button when detaching. Okay, that makes sense. You just gotta read sometimes. Nah, I feel like the table is like too messy right now. Put everything to the side. Everything to the side. Let me clear the table out. Put this to the side. The sticker to the side. Damn, why'd I have to do that? Let me be gentle with this so I don't break it. Rotate screen. Oh, okay. I bet, say no more. Put everything else to the side that I don't need. Let's get this video started. Well, not started, but I'm chatting right now, fake. All right, mini tripod. Oh, fake. I thought it would be bigger. I thought it would have like a stand, but I have a tripod stand, so I don't think it really matters, but let's hope. Nah, I'm really about to be, I'm about to be like, welcome to the vlog, tight, you feel me? Day in the life, be outside, I'm about to be on some fake, this is fake, y'all. I'm jacking this though. What? I just heard a snap. I don't know what that was though. Should I be concerned? We good. We sturdy. So this is the tripod attachment. Let's put it down like this. I might be the worst unboxer ever, but oh damn, I might be the worst unboxer ever. Cause I feel like I got carried away already. So this is the tripod attachment. So you can just set it down and stuff like that. I think, yeah. So you just set it down and just chill, I guess. Take another video. Take another video with the tripod on. Let's turn it to the side. English. We'll do that later. Show me. Let's shoot this video. I could fake continue the rest of the video. I could really do the rest of the video on here, you feel me? I'm really about to put this clip in there too. So if you haven't already, let's see I'm gonna compare the difference. But you feel me? If you haven't already, make sure to hit that follow button. Cause like, don't be a hater. Come on. Just join. Alright, join the family though, you feel me? Follow me on all platforms. Hit that sub button. Yeah, that's all I gotta really say, you feel me? Appreciate y'all for joining, but we're not done. We're not done yet. All right, let's take the tripod out. Actually, no, we don't take the tripod out. We're gonna take this off. How do I take this off? Is a real question. Oh, okay. So, okay. All right, that's cool. All right, last but not least, the last thing we have unblocked. The last thing that we have not unboxed is the extra battery handle. I think this is like an extra battery, I guess. This is so clutch. Cause imagine your camera died, you don't got like, come on. That'd be the worst thing to ever happen. Your camera died, you just don't have an extra, like, any charger or anything. You just put an extra battery handle in. That's so clutch. But look though, battery handle right here. Well, I guess what is this though? Is this an extra battery or is this like, okay, yeah, it is an extra battery. So you just charge it in the front right here and then you just plug it into your, so, wait, what? Oh, okay, yeah, you turn it that way. Oh, so yeah, this is actually, oh, and it's charging. Yo, this is so fire. Honestly, bro, I'm so grateful that my parents got this for me. I'm about to put this to use though. I'm gonna make sure like, cause this, I ain't gonna lie, this was definitely expensive. So I'm gonna make sure I actually use this thing and I didn't just waste their money. But yeah, you feel me? I appreciate y'all for joining. Appreciate y'all for watching. If you stayed to the end, I appreciate you so much. You don't even understand. But make sure you join, hit that sub button. We got more videos coming soon, especially now that I got this. We definitely got more videos coming soon. Trust and believe. Join now before it's too late, you feel me? Be a OG, not a GO. I thought I did something. I thought I did something with that. But yeah. Hit that sub button. Outro. Nah, that's gonna be hard. That's gonna be hard when you watch it. I'm telling you. I'm gonna be like, outro. And the outro's gonna play. But watch. Outro.
Baby, I can pop out right now, put my big one on these hoes down. I'm not acrobatic, I'm not flipping on my bros. No, all my shit be factual, I cannot get exposed. Grew up talking slick, I catch a bitch before I catch a cold.